Hi, and welcome back to TPM. I'm hungry, so I'll take a snack with TPM. Okay, we got some. This is whole grain oatmeal, 48 grams of whole wheat, per 2 slices. Good source of fiber. Good source of fiber. Tasty oats. So we're going, and we got some good protein peanut butter. Got that. So we're going to get into this. It smells good. It's very good. I'm hungry. Let's dive in. I don't take the heel. Look at that. Good old oats. I always check. Always check. I check my bread. I inspect it. It's a habit. It's a good habit to have chicken bread. Yep, that's good. You don't want to have moldy bread. You know? You don't want your face all sink in. That's what's going to happen if you eat moldy bread. Your face is going to sink in. You're going to get really sick. Not good for you. Oh, I smell that peanut butter. It smells so good. We're going to take a big old whop of it. Look at that. Big old peanut butter. So good. We always have peanut butter in this place. Peanut butter, peanut butter. Good old peanut butter. My grandmother, that's all she would have in her cabinet is peanut butter. Of course, she would go to the restaurant, not KFC, because they didn't have KFC in Lancaster, Kentucky, okay? I think it was Lee's favorite recipe or something like that. Don't quote me. Don't shoot me if I said it wrong. Don't shoot the master. I like a lot of peanut butter. I'm hungry. I get hungry at night. Yep. And my dryer is going. I'm only going to put it on one slice of bread. Because that's the way I roll. It's easy for me. If it's easy, I'll eat it. Why not? Then we just squeeze it. We squeeze it. We squeeze him. Mmm. 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 It's so delicious. You gotta try this. This stuff's good. Mm. Yeah. Yeah, I'll probably have another one. Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. Get you some good old peanut butter. Mm. Oh, yeah. And another thing. Yeah. I'm going to still do the live chats of making hats for the homeless. But I'm gonna do different kind of videos. They might not be long, they might be short, but at least I'm putting something out for you. That's, the people that's been subscribed to me for a long time. I put out something different. You know what I mean? Just for the video. But the live chats will always stay the same. Crochet hats for the homeless, okay? Yeah. Pretty good. Mm-hmm. So y'all have a good night. Mm. Good job, peanut butter sandwich. Good healthy snack for tonight. Remember, L is for love. Love yourself and love others. Mm-hmm. You'll love yourself first. Mm. Then you can love others. Remember, self-love is the best love. Mm-hmm. If no one told you today, I love you, and I mean that from the bottom of my heart. Mm. I still got that peanut butter in my mouth. It's sticking to my gums. And it will stick to my ribs. We don't follow people. We follow God. Amen. God bless. Bye.